The ECO indicator in the 2014-2017 Lexus NX200t is a feature that promotes fuel-efficient driving. It's displayed as a green leaf icon on the dashboard, providing real-time feedback on your driving habits to help you optimize fuel economy. It is part of Lexus's eco-friendly initiatives, aligning with the vehicle's hybrid efficiency goals. The ECO button is located on the center console, near the gear shift. Look for a button labeled Eco. Pressing this button will toggle Eco mode and the Eco indicator on or off. To disable Eco mode and the Eco indicator, press the Eco button again on the center console. The green leaf icon on the dashboard will disappear and the vehicle will return to normal mode, prioritizing performance over fuel savings. In normal mode, fuel efficiency decreases slightly, but you get better acceleration and overall vehicle performance. When ECO mode is enabled, the vehicle's computer makes several adjustments to maximize fuel economy. The system reduces engine revolutions, optimizes electric motor assistance, and limits power delivery to achieve better efficiency, similar to EPA-rated improvements of 10 to 15%. The EEO indicator provides visual feedback through green leaves on the dashboard, up to 10 in total. Smooth acceleration, moderate speeds, and regenerative braking fill the leaves, while aggressive driving depletes them, gamifying eco-friendly habits. Using Eco mode can improve your fuel economy by 10 to 15%. It promotes smoother driving habits, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. It's particularly effective in city driving, where frequent stops and starts occur. The Eco indicator is designed to be user-friendly, but remember that it's not an autonomous system. Drivers must actively respond to the feedback provided by the indicator to achieve optimal fuel efficiency. Regular maintenance of your NX200t's hybrid system will ensure the Eco indicator functions correctly. No major recalls have affected the indicator, though isolated cases of display malfunctions have been noted, typically resolved with dashboard repairs costing $200 to $500.